today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to get a completely free virtual debit card. If you guys are looking to get a completely free virtual debit card so you can do things like unlock free trials without paying, as well as controlling the exact amount of money coming out of every single one of your cards, and enhance privacy so you're not putting your exact credit card details on every single site, make sure to go ahead and watch till the end of this video because I'm going to be outlining two different methods for you guys to be creating virtual debit cards for completely free today. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and waste any of your time, so I'm going to be speaking fast. So I'd recommend you guys put this video at 0.5 times speed. So with that all being said, let's get right into it. So the first thing that you guys are going to want to do is that you're going to want to get on your phone. You're going to want to go to either the Google Play Store or the iOS Store. And what you're going to want to look up and you're going to want to download is going to be CashApp. If you guys already have CashApp downloaded and have a CashApp account, go ahead and create an entirely new CashApp account using the exact same information as the old CashApp account. Trust me, you will not get banned from doing this. You can keep reusing the same info over and over again. After you guys create a fresh CashApp account, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go on the top right and you're going to want to scroll down to where it says referral code. As you guys can see, it says referral code right here. And then all you guys are going to want to do is that you're going to want to enter in this exact referral code typed out like this. The referral code is going to be TSQQ V7H. Just like that, guys, go ahead and enter it in. TSQQ V7H. After you guys do that, you're going to want to go to where it says linked banks and go ahead and link a debit card or a bank account. It doesn't matter. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the pay button and pay someone $5 on Cash App. This is an essential part of the method, so make sure you guys are following along and doing this right now. You guys could go ahead and pay me. I'm going to go ahead and include my Cash App in the description. I can go ahead and then refund you that $5 so we can both get that $5 for completely free. But you guys could also just invite someone else to Cash App and go ahead and have them send you $5. Or you could have a friend or family who has Cash App, tell them, hey, I'm going to send you $5 and then just have them refund it back to you. And then after you guys do that, you will be rewarded with a free $10 to your Cash App account. So as you guys can see, this person right here got a free $10 by doing this exact method on Cash App. Now, for full transparency, I will also be getting the free $10, but you guys will get the free $10 at literally no cost to you, meaning that you guys are making entirely free money, so it would be kind of dumb if you guys missed out on this opportunity. The cash is going to show up in your cash balance. It is going to say $10 right here. And then all you guys are going to want to do after you do that is that to create a free virtual debit card with Cash App is you're going to want to go to this card button right here and you're going to want to click get your free card. You're going to want to go ahead and select which design you want. I just select one of the free ones. And then all you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit order card right here. Then what you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to start using that debit card for all of your free trial purchases. So you guys could just cash out that free $10 into your bank account, and then you guys can go ahead and use your Cash App card, debit card details for any single other purchase. Now, because Cash App has no overdraft protection, this means that you won't be charged over and the transaction just simply won't go through. Meaning that you guys could sign it to any free trial using your Cash App card and be able to use that free trial, and they won't be able to charge you provided you don't have the money in your Cash App balance. Now, keep in mind, guys, if you are not based in the US, you actually cannot use Cash App. So what I would recommend using instead is going to be Privacy. I'm going to go ahead and include my referral link for Privacy in the description down below, which if you guys make your first purchase, you will get a free $5 just like I have here. But the great part about Privacy is that it allows you to create nearly unlimited virtual debit cards for completely free. All you have to do is you just have to create a card and then you can set some kind of nickname. So you could have a Netflix one, I'll save that. And then all you have to do is click create card. Once you guys do that, you will get a virtual card just like this one, basically enabling you guys to put the debit card information inside of whatever provider you're using, and you can also set a monthly spend limit for them. Keep in mind, these aren't real debit cards like the Cash App card is, so that's why I would recommend using the Cash App card over this, because a lot of places can actually read the fact that this is a virtual debit card and they will not allow you to purchase with it. But because the Cash App card is free and you even get a free $10 if you follow the method, and it's actually a real debit card, that means that any subscription platform that you're using won't be able to tell that there's no money in it. So I would recommend using Cash App over Privacy for that purpose exclusively, but if you guys aren't based in the US, you could use Privacy instead, and you can create up to 12 monthly cards a month. You can also track your spending with Privacy. Privacy is a really great tool. I'll switch between using my Cash App card and Privacy sometimes, depending on if it's a good situation for it. Before you guys click off this video, I would highly recommend going to the first link in the description and checking out F University. F University is my exclusively paid product, and we are planning on moving it to $100 a month very, very soon. And we are planning on moving it to $100 a month once we have 100 members inside. There is no other educational platform that will literally teach you how to go from only having $1,000 to your name to having $1 million to your name. As you guys can see, we have courses going from 1 to 1,000, 1,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 100,000, 100,000 to 1 million, where I have methods inside teaching you how to do things like resell motorcycles, which I personally used to make my first $5,000, or how to resell cars, or how to do some simple affiliate marketing. Or if you only have $1 to your name, I have a bunch of methods inside of here that you guys could literally use today if you didn't have any money at all to literally be able to go to your first $1,000. And then after you guys make your first 1,000, you can then go into making your first 10,000, and then going from making your first 10,000, 100,000, 100,000, a million. I have methods explaining inside exactly how to use trailer parks to go ahead and turn $100,000 into $1 million. I also have a course coming out on how to make basic web applications for under 10 grand and a bunch more. So I would highly recommend joining F University if you only have $1 to your name and you actually want to become a millionaire, because as someone that has done it multiple times at this point, I understand exactly how to do it. Also, if you guys don't even buy it, you can literally watch this video on the F University page. And in that video, I'm going to give you two things. Number one, I'll literally teach you a method on how you can earn $1,000 today. No shit, you can literally earn $1,000 today using that exact method. And then second, I'm going to teach you exactly how to get into F University for completely free inside of that video. So all you guys need to do is just need to click on that video, make it full screen, and actually watch it. With that all being said, goodbye.